In this tutorial I will show you a beautiful and emotional melody that you absolutely have to try on the piano. It's really easy to play and you will get a beautiful sound very quickly. So if you love emotional piano music, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And for today's tutorial there is also a free PDF with the sheet music. You can download it very easily. The link is in the video description below. So grab the notes, sit down at your piano and then let's begin. Let's begin with the melody in the right hand. So place your thumb on the E and your pinky on the C. And now we simply move back and forth between these two notes. And we will start with the higher note. And we count like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and after this bar, you just play back and forth between your ring finger and your thumb. That means between B and E. And you also count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now in the next bar, let's move one step down to the A and then again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and in the last bar move one more step down to the G and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's play all 4 bars together. So we are starting here on the C and then we will move down note for note. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. This is easy, right? Let's add the left hand now. Here you are starting on the A, then you go to the G, then you go to the F, and then you go to the E. And each note lasts for the whole bar. Okay? That means when we play both hands together now, this sounds like this. Make sure that your thumb is on the E and your pinky is on the C, and then we will begin with the A in the left hand together. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now move down 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again move down 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and move down again. Wonderful. This is the first part of the melody. Let's repeat this quickly. Wonderful. And now here comes the second part of our melody, and the good news is it's even getting easier. For the next 4 bars, simply alternate between the G and the E, just back and forth like this. So you are starting with bar 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then comes bar 2, okay? And they're also the same thing, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then comes bar 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again bar 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so this is very, very simple. And in the left hand, you just switch between the C and the B. So we will begin with the C, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And now the right hand stays the same and the left hand goes to the B. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again back to the C. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to the B. Okay. That's it. Let me play this for you quickly. Wonderful. Now let's bring the first and the second melody part together. We will play with both hands now, and we begin here on E and C and in the left hand on the A. Okay? All right. So 3 and 4 and... Now bring your thumb up to the C, to the B, to the C, to the B. Wonderful. And I think it's amazing how beautiful this sounds with such simple notes. And here comes a secret tip. You can also play everything 1 octave lower. You know, in the sheet music, I've wrote it in 1 octave higher because it's easy to read like this, but the real magic happens when you play it lower. That means we played it here, right? And now we take the same notes, but we will play them 1 octave lower, like here, okay? And let's listen how this sounds. Wonderful. But you can play it like you want. It also sounds very nice in these octaves here. And it's very important that you also use the sustain pedal, because with the sustain pedal everything sounds more beautiful right away. So you will press it at the beginning and then hold it for the whole bar. And when you now move to the G, you will lift it up in the same moment where you are pushing down the key, and down again. Up, down. Up, down. Yeah? Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Wonderful. And like this, you apply the sustain pedal properly, that everything sounds nice. Now let's add some variation. Here we start again with C and E, and we are playing 1 and 2 and 3 and on the 4, there we just go with the pinky 1 white key up. Yeah? Like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and in the next bar we are doing the same thing. Also on beat 4, where you see the pink note, we just go 1 key higher than we play. So 1 and 2 and 3 and now go to the C and back with your thumb to the E. Then in the third bar we are playing A, E, A, E, A, E, and then B, E. And the last bar stays like it is. Yeah? Here everything stays easy. So it sounds like this. Let's join with the left hand now. Isn't this beautiful? And like this, we get tiny little variations. And by the way, if you haven't downloaded the free sheet music yet, make sure to get the PDF now. You will find the link in the video description below. Now here comes another idea for a beautiful variation that we can make our little melody even more beautiful. So you begin with your old position with C and E, yeah, but then you just play one note lower than the C, then back to the C, and then one key higher than the C. Yeah, look, it's like the pinky starts on the C, goes down, goes back, goes up. Yeah, starts on C, goes down, goes back, goes up. And this we will do with all other chords too. That means in the next bar we start with the B. And there also we play a little bit around, yeah? We are starting with B, go one wide key down, again back to the B, and one wide key higher, yeah? In the next bar we are starting with the A, and there also we begin with the A, then one wide key lower and one wide key higher, okay? So this will sound like this. We start with the A, down, go back to the A, and go up. And then the last bar stays like we had before. Let's try this out only the right hand alone. 3 and 4 and. And together with the left hand. Yeah, and for sure, then you can go into the second part of the melody. And here we are doing exactly the same like before. Wonderful. And I think it creates a really beautiful wave-like movement. And if you enjoyed this tutorial so far, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And now I have a third melody variation for you. Now something a bit more expressive. We will start with C and E. One time, two times. And then keep an eye on the C, and now we will skip one white note and jump to the next one above. Yeah, then back to the thumb, and then we will come back down. Like this. C, C, E, D. Okay, and then in the next bar we are doing the same pattern. We are starting on B, then again B, then we skip one white note and we take the D, go back to the C. Next bar is A, we skip one white key, take the C, go back to the B, and the last bar stays like before. Let's do this together once more, only with the right hand to get the movement in our fingers. Okay, we are starting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's try this out with both hands together. So we are starting with the thumb on the A and preparing our right hand too. And then for sure you can add the second melody part. Okay, let me know in the comments which of the 3 melodies you liked the most. And now here comes the fun part. You can mix all these variations. For example, that you use one idea in one round, another idea in the next round, or you start experimenting yourself. You can just try and move your pinky around and listen to what happens. Sometimes the most beautiful melodies come from simple exploration. I make you an example. For example, you could play something like this. Or something like this. Just try a little bit and try to find beautiful melodies. And if you've always wanted to improvise beautiful melodies like this freely on the piano, then definitely check out my online course Modern Piano 1. In this course you will learn a complete system, a clear method that shows you how to improvise freely using chords and patterns. So if you are tired of only reading notes and always needing sheet music in front of you, and you would love to sit down at the piano and just play freely and confidently and with real enjoyment, then you should definitely check out my online course. In this course, I will show you a complete system that helps you move from being dependent on sheet music all the time to becoming a free and creative kind of piano player. So you will learn how to use chords, patterns and simple structures so you can improvise beautiful music on your own. No more just reproducing notes, right? So that you really can create music. And if that sounds like this is the next step for you, you will find all the information in the video description below, so that you can sit down at the piano and create your own emotional music. And yeah, if that sounds interesting to you, then you will find more information in the video description below. And by the way, if you enjoyed this video, then you will definitely love this one right here, because in that video I will show you how you can improvise a beautiful and emotional and a sad melody on the piano very freely and creatively, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. So click on this next video and then keep playing. I will see you there.